Set crystal clear restroom cleaning expectations before work begins so both parties know what will happen and when. Start by creating a written cleaning checklist that lists every task you will perform each visit, including toilet bowl cleaning, urinal care, sink and counter wiping, mirror polishing, floor sweeping and mopping, waste removal, and high-touch surface disinfection. Detail frequency for each task so the client understands what is done daily, weekly, and monthly, and include time windows for visits when possible. Explain supply handling upfront by stating whether supplies such as toilet paper, paper towels, and soap are provided by the client or included by you, and describe how you will report or restock low supplies when you offer that. Service. Use simple service-level options such as basic, standard, and deep clean so the client can choose a package that matches traffic and hygiene needs, and you can price consistently. Train technicians to follow the checklist and to log completed tasks and any anomalies on a visit report that you share with the client through email or a photo message, and set a specific person on your team as the client point of contact. Offer a short onboarding walkthrough either in person or via video call to show exactly what will be cleaned and where supplies will be stored, and to capture any special requests like fragrance preferences or restricted cleaning. Hours. Common mistakes include assuming what clean means to the client, which leads to missed expectations and complaints, so always read and confirm the checklist with the client and get written agreement. Another problem is unclear supply responsibility, where disputes arise over missing soap or paper, so document supply arrangements in the service agreement and record restocks on the visit log. A third issue is infrequent communication when client needs change causing dissatisfaction, so schedule regular check-ins quarterly or after major events, and be willing to adapt the cleaning frequency or scope based on feedback. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and cleaning professionals and hosts a discussion community where users and pros exchange tips, expectations, and vendor experiences. We help both homeowners find providers and contractors find work while giving everyone a place to ask questions, share standards, and clarify expectations.